Thank you for tuning in to the four-part series on optimizing engagement in online education. Through this series, we will discuss the instructor and student responsibilities in engagement, benefits and misconceptions, the role of constructivism in building an online community, and high engagement activities that optimize engagement. This series was created using research conducted through EAC 539, coupled with literature and personal experiences. References can be found at the end of each video. Let's jump right into part 1. So why is engagement important in the online setting? It's important because when instructors are engaged and are able to get their students involved in their own learning processes, it improves motivation on both sides, and it promotes meaningful learning experiences. According to Veasley, Bloom, and Sherlock, both instructors and students agree that engagement is a shared responsibility with a few key components: shared purpose, purposeful communication, collaboration, and an exchange of ideas in an organized fashion. One instructor responsibility as it pertains to engagement in the online classroom is leading by example through their online presence. Veasley, Bloom, and Sherlock suggest that online instructors need to be seen in order to be perceived by their students as present in the course. While traditional instructors are able to utilize their physical presence as a signal of their active involvement in a class, online instructors must actively participate in the course or risk the perception of being invisible or absent. Instructors must also be organized. They must be prepared and prepare students for engagement. Establish a culture of engagement by making assignments easy to find and making the structure of the course easy to follow. Consistency is key because confusion often breeds chaos. Instructors should also consider giving impact, not just information. Make the learning relevant and meaningful for the learner. This is done by getting to know the students and understanding their expectations for the course. Giving impact also involves providing support through feedback. The primary functions of feedback, according to Tate, include cognitive, affective, and systematic. Cognitive is supporting and developing learning through facilitating the standard elements of the course materials and learning resources. Affective is providing an environment that supports students, creates commitment, and enhances self-esteem. And systematic has to do with establishing processes and information managing systems that are effective, transparent, and overall student-friendly. For student responsibilities, being curious learners is vital in student engagement. Curious learners ask questions to gain clarity and are also open to various perspectives on any given topic. Curious learners understand the value in questioning, which makes them better problem solvers. In addition to being curious learners, it's also important for students to be open-minded in their learning. Students should be open to stepping outside of the comfort zone of simply completing individual tasks all alone. It takes a level of maturity to understand the importance in being open-minded. Instead of looking at a difference of opinion as a threat, the open-minded learner understands that various opinions on a topic paints a holistic picture of that topic. It's the responsibility of the student to be open-minded enough to engage in healthy dialogue with students and instructors despite a difference of opinion.